Hey there. Welcome to another episode of It's All About the Cocktail. I'm your host, Ray O'Brien. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican coffee. Pretty simple ingredients: Patron Blanco tequila, Patron XO Cafe coffee liqueur, little warm coffee, and then I'm going to hit that with some store-bought Redi-Whip foam, just so I can make it easy and show you how easy it is to do this. So stick around till the end. I'll show you how I put some toppers on there with the Ghirardelli chocolate. See you in a while. Okay, let's begin. Okay, like I said, pretty simple ingredients, staying with the theme of simple cocktails at home. Okay, now you can use any, I'm not getting bought off by Patron or anything. I'm just trying to stay consistent to what I have around. Okay, now in terms of coffee liqueur, you can use whatever coffee liqueur you want. You can use Kahlua. I could use Kahlua because it is from Mexico. You can use whatever you want, but in this case, I'm going to use the XO Cafe. It's not a good product, relatively inexpensive. But the first thing you want to do is take your Irish coffee mug, have it filled with hot water. Look at the steam coming off there. Have it filled with hot water to keep the glass warm. Okay, now we're going to pour 1.5 ounces of, I got my little shot glass from Mexico, from Veronica gave me that. 1.5 ounces of Patron Blanco tequila. Hit that with the same 1.5 ounces of XO Cafe coffee liqueur. Hit that with your hot coffee. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you how easy this is. Put a little foam there. Usually I make foam. I make it green and make it minty with my wife's processor. But it does take a little bit of doing, and this is very easy. You can buy this at the store. Check this out. Done. Okay, now like I said, I'm going to hit that with a little Ghirardelli chocolate on the top with my microplaner. I'm just going to bring it down here so I can do it. Okay, now people are asking me, Ray, why all the coffee liqueurs? Come on, man, it's Chicagoland in the wintertime. I'm freezing my nards up out here. I gotta have some coffee, and I gotta have something to warm me up with the coffee. So that is why. Okay. Does that look good or what? Huh? Let's check that out. Oh, excellent. You get the foam and the chocolate on top, gives you a little bit of sweetness. You can taste the coffee liqueur, and the tequila warms you going down. Okay, so do me a favor. Shoot me a comment, okay? Like this video, shoot me a comment, share with somebody. I mean, tell me, do you like warm coffee drinks? Do you like warm drinks? Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think I can do better. And, because I can only get better at this through you. So, I gotta hit this one more time. Oh. So I thank you for your support, and I will catch you just in time for the next round. See you later.